In a small town named Tokaido, lived a little boy named Hiro Hamada. Hiro had a beautiful, peaceful home, but he longed for something more magical. One sunny morning, Hiro woke up early and decided to explore the old, forgotten garden behind his house. He grabbed his watering can and a small shovel, ready for adventure. As he entered the garden, he noticed the tall, green grass swaying gently in the breeze. He could hear the cheerful chirping of birds hiding among the trees. Hiro began to water the plants, talking to them as if they were his friends. He imagined them growing bigger and more vibrant, just like him. Suddenly, he heard a strange sound, like a soft whisper. He followed the sound and found a tiny, glowing seed lying on the ground. It was shimmering with a magical light. Hiro picked up the seed and placed it carefully in his pocket. He went home, feeling excited and curious about the magical seed. At home, he planted the seed in a small pot and watered it. He placed it by the window, where the sunlight could reach it. Days passed, and the seed began to sprout. It grew tall and strong, its leaves shimmering with the same magical light. Hiro was amazed and delighted. One morning, he saw a small, colorful creature emerge from the plant. It was a tiny fairy, with wings as bright as the morning sun. The fairy thanked Hiro for giving her a home and offered to grant him a wish. Hiro thought for a moment, then wished for the garden to be even more magical. In an instant, the garden transformed. Flowers bloomed in a riot of colors, their scents filling the air. Butterflies fluttered around, and bees buzzed happily. Hiro was overjoyed. He named the fairy Sprinkles and promised to take care of her and the magical garden. From that day forward, Hiro Hamada's garden became a magical place, a place of happiness and wonder, where every child's dreams could come true. And Hiro, with his magical garden and his new friend Sprinkles, lived happily ever after. The end.